and welcome to another phonics lesson. Today we're going to practice our sight words. We're going to look at some sentences as well as play our listen, tap, and write game. And your exit ticket will have some sight word practice, listen, tap, and write, as well as fixing some sentences. Your teacher might pause the video now or later for you to go get your materials. Word. This is the word as. Repeat after me.
R.
As. A-S. As. I waved as I rode by.
What's the word?
Try putting the
Jump.
word as in a sentence. This is the word jump. Repeat after me. Jump. J-U-M-P. Jump, jump, jump. Try putting the word jump into a sentence. I jump over here. Jump. Now, last sight word. This is the word R. Repeat after me. R. A-R-E. R. Try putting it in a sentence. They are going to school. I have some sentences I need your help on deciding if they're complete or not. Remember, sentences always begin with an uppercase letter and end with punctuation. That might be a period, a question mark, or an exclamation point. A period is going to tell us when to stop. We also obviously need words in our sentences. Letters make up words and words make up sentences. But it's important that our words have finger spaces. You can use your finger when you're writing to make sure that there's spaces in between words as we are beginning to write our own sentences for writing. So let's get to it. I have my first sentence for you. I need you to decide, is this sentence complete? Your teacher's going to pause the video and you guys are going to talk about if this sentence is complete, and if it's not, what do I need to do to fix it? Remember our checklist. Uppercase letter, punctuation, whether it's a period, a question mark, or an exclamation point, and does it have finger spaces? Well, I was reviewing my sentence while you guys were looking at it, and I definitely saw the period first, so I'm good there. I know when to stop. I also see the spaces in between all of my words. So that tells me that my words are spread apart and it gives me space to breathe when I'm reading. But when I got to the beginning of my sentence, this is a problem. This is a lowercase h. What does it need to be? Yeah, it needs to be an uppercase h because sentences always begin with an uppercase letter. We also can call an uppercase letter a capital letter. Okay. My sentence is complete now. Do you agree or disagree? I see a lot of you saying agree, so let's read it. Read with me. He can jump up. He can jump up. He can jump up. I want you to look very closely and see if you see one of our sight words we're learning this week. Did you say jump? You are right. There was a word that we learned a couple weeks ago. That's the opposite of up. If you're not going up, your teacher's going to pause the video and you guys are going to fill in the sight word that we learned a couple weeks ago. That's the opposite of up. The opposite of up is down. He can jump down. He can jump down. So for this sentence, there's nothing we need to fix, but we want to talk about the different punctuation that we're seeing in this sentence. We're used to putting a period at the end of a sentence, and a period, we use periods when we're telling about something or having a statement, like I like my cat, or I go to school. We use a question mark when we're asking a question. We've been learning and reading about question words: who, what, where, when, why, how. So here's a sentence. It says, who will wave as we go by? So I've used a question mark because I'm asking a question. Who? Who will wave as we go by? So when we're using our question words, who, what, where, when, why, and how, we'll always use a question mark because we're asking a question. You may also hear questions that start with the word can, or will, or did. So this is a question mark. And I want your teacher to pause the video and practice writing a question mark, as we are going to be seeing questions that need to be fixed in future phonics lessons. One more sentence, and this sentence is my mixed up sentence. I need your help putting this sentence back together to match the sentence, they are here. Your teacher's going to pause the video and you guys are going to put this sentence to match they are here back together. Okay, so when we're putting this sentence back together, we need to find the word that has the uppercase letter. I see a lowercase a, so this could not be our first word because we need an uppercase letter. If we go to the second word, I see an uppercase T. That must be the word they. So we're going to start our sentence with they. They. What's the next word I need? Are. Are is a sight word we're learning this week. So I know right away, because I've been practicing my sight words, that this is the word are. We're going to write it. We're going to erase it. And then the only word left is here. They are here. So I'm going to write that. And then my period at the end. All right. How does my sentence look? Ooh, I see some of you nodding your heads no. They are here. Ooh, did I put a finger space here? No, I didn't. If I don't have a finger space, that tells me that that's one big word. And that is not one big word. Those are two words. So I need to fix it because good writers always go back and fix things if they need fixing. So let me use my finger right here in between my word. See, here. Don't forget my period. They are here. Thanks for helping me. In future lessons, we're going to be looking at sentences that have question marks and finger spaces. Be ready. And tap and write time. So make sure you have your writing materials with you. I'm going to say a word, then you're going to tap it out and write it down. Here we go. Your first word is, it's a word that begins with the k sound. So you're going to decide C or K. Here we go. Kit. Kit. It. Does your word match mine? If it does, kiss your brain. Kit begins with K. We hear that I sound, the letter I. All right, here is your next word. Oh, it's another K or C word. Here we go. Cup. Cup. Go ahead and try. What did you write? Does it match mine? C-O-P. Go ahead and pat yourself on the back if your word matches mine, because this is how you write the word cop. You didn't get tricked with the letter C. We know that O, when we hear the O sound, C is the first letter. Next word is trap. Trap. Make sure you're tapping out every sound. a, hmm. 4 sounds. A, trap, trap. Great work. Lisa, you're going to read the sentence, I can jump, and then count the words in the sentence and circle the number. Then tap the red color and circle the period, and then tap the blue color and circle the uppercase letter. You're also going to practice putting the sentence back together, matching the sentence in the blue box, I can jump. You'll practice your sight words by matching your sight words up in the box. And listen, tap, and write. You can click the video to hear the word and then write the word on the line. Till next time, bye, Kipsters.